Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Fluxer app, a versatile chat platform that lets you communicate with friends and communities through text, voice, and video. This guide will help you get started on Windows and make the most of its messaging group and call features. Here's a simple step guide to getting started with Fluxer on your Windows. First, turn on your PC and sign into Windows. Open your web browser like Chrome or Edge. Go to the official Fluxer website, Fluxer app. Click the download and choose the Windows version. Install the Fluxer app by running the download file in the pop-up menu in the top right. Launch Fluxer app from your desktop or start menu. Click sign up or register to create an account by entering the email, display name, username, password, and date of birth. Then agree to terms and hit create account. Confirm your email if the app asks for verification. Then log in with your new credentials if needed. Set up your profile, add a display name and profile picture by clicking your profile icon, then click the edit profile. Then hit the change avatar, choose your avatar, click on it, and click the open. Here, minimize the size of your avatar to fit perfectly and click save avatar and click save changes. Now go to friends, then click add friends or invite to connect with people. Join or create groups, communities to chat with multiple users. Open a direct message to start a private conversation. Use voice or video call features to talk in real time. Explore more settings to customize notifications, privacy, and display options. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.